Oh, hi, I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing I want to say all levels, but like we'll go with intermediate, possibly advanced, depending on the tempo that you want to use, combination. It's a technique exercise that focuses on shuffles, paradiddles, and crawls. So I'm really excited to do this one. It's a bit of what I would call a toe twister. It's like a tongue twister, but for your feet. So much fun. If you're a dance teacher, you're definitely going to want to bring this to your classes. I cannot wait to bring it to mine. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. All right, so it starts on 1. We have 1 and 2 with shuffle step. 1 and 2, shuffle step, and then it goes right into a heel, heel, toe, toe crawl. Heel, heel, toe, toe, and then you add another heel or chug. I'm going to do a chug because it just feels right to do because it's like the end of the sentence, putting my weight into that leg, ready to use the next leg. So I want to use a chug, but if you just want to do a heel, that is fine too. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 8. Let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 8. Good. Then you do it on the left. 5 and 6. So you have shuffle step. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. That's left, right, left, right, left. So the first side was right, left, left. That last heel happens on the right. This side, left, right, right. The last heel happens on the left, so that you firmly plant your weight into the hip that you need to stand on so you can use the other leg. So let's try from the top, shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. Let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 8. Good. It just goes right into the next part, no pause. So let's do that one more time and then we'll go on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 8. Awesome. Then you have shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel. So 2 basic shuffle, step, heel, no crawls, no nothing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then you finish it off with one more of what we already did in the beginning. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. So it's an AABA situation. So it has shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. Then into the 2 regular shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel. Back to the beginning, shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. And that's the end of the phrase. So let's do all that together. And then, guess what? It starts on the left. So let's try it on the right one more time, the whole thing. And then we will do the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 8. Good. Your left foot's free. You're going to do it starting on the left. Exactly that whole sequence, but starting on the left. So you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 8. So it's the same first 2 parts. Then the 2 shuffle step heels, left, right. Then shuffle step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. So it's that AABA thing. You're just starting with the left foot. So let's do the left side together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 8. Awesome. Make sure you're keeping your weight the whole time, like right in here, so that you have all the control to move the heels and the toes. If you keep your weight like too up, you really don't have a lot of volume with the heels, and you can't really use your toes that much because your weight's so forward on them. Same thing, if you're like back in your heels, you don't have that much control over how much sound you make with your toes, and also you're gonna lose your balance. So keeping your weight really, really centered here, I have all the control in the world. All right, so let's do right and then left, and then I will tell you what happens on the second variation. There's 2 variations. Well, yeah. So from the top, right and then left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. So remember, after that A, B, A, there's a comma, and then we start again. So you're going to do that A 3 times in a row between the first and the second one. It's A, B, A, B, A. So that A, and then these 2 A's, makes 3. So you're going to feel like you're doing it too many times, but you're not, I promise. Okay, so that's the first variation. The second variation is exactly the same. Exactly the same. The only thing that changes is that instead of a shuffle step heel, it is a dig brush step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. So we're taking like a paradiddle version of it. But really the only change is that instead of going like this at the beginning, we're going like this. That is the only difference. Because it's brush, brush, back, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. Now it's dig, brush, back, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. So you're doing it with a dig. So let's try that together slow. So we have dig, brush, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. Dig, brush, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. Then it'll have 2 paradiddles. 1, 2, dig, brush, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. And then we would go on the left. So, sorry, waking up the computer. So then we would go on the left. So let's try right and left with the dig instead of the brush. So the paradiddle version. Let's do it together. Dun, 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 dun. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, spank, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. Dig, spank, step. Start over. Dig, spank, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Dig, spank, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. That may have been a little fast. I counted and I was like, wait, this feels a little fast. But hey, we did it. So let's do shuffles into paradiddles. So the whole thing, then we'll do it with music. Ready? A little bit slower. Let me check the tempo of the song first, actually. Okay, no, it is that fast. So let's try it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 8 and 1, 2. Shuffle step. Now we switch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 8 left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 8. That is a lot to keep track of, and it is quite the toe twister. It is so much fun. I love it. I cannot wait to bring it to class. I still have 2 weeks. No, I still have a week and a half before classes start back up at my studio. As I'm filming this, I'm sure this is coming out way past when that's happening. But as I'm filming it, I still have 2.5 or 1.5 more weeks. And while I'm enjoying the break, I miss my students, and I am just creating so much stuff to bring them, and I'm so excited. All right, let's do it with music. We got this. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. that one more time. And yeah, we got this. This song's fun. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. You had a blast learning this exercise with me. I had so much fun creating it and teaching it and practicing it with you. It was a lot of fun. So hopefully you guys had that much fun. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this of all levels. We've got step tutorials where you can focus on just learning one step. We have choreography tutorials where you can learn a little combination to a popular or timeless song. We've got vlogs and challenges and all kinds of stuff on this channel. It's all free TAP class and it's here for you. The best way to support this channel is to subscribe. The more subscribers I have, the longer I can keep this channel going, and this channel is my way of giving back. So I never, ever, ever want this to stop. So subscribe is basically what I'm trying to say. I come out with new videos several times a week. I think we only took one break this year, 1 week off, and it's literally the week that I'm filming this. So it was just like the week between Christmas and New Year's. But we still put out like shorts and all kinds of fun stuff. So yeah, consistent videos coming out every single week, new content, new songs. I got you. So hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up because it tells YouTube that people love tap dance, and we want YouTube to know that because that doesn't just help my channel, it helps every tap dance channel out there. So subscribe, thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.